Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I don't know if you have a hard time taking off waterproof mascara, but this eye makeup remover is one of my favorites. So this comes in a pack of two. I usually have to find something for sensitive skin. So when I find something that works, I usually buy it in bulk. So this is Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. It has cornflower extract in it, believe it or not, and it also has a provitamin B12 that's going to protect your lashes. This is so quick and easy to use. You can see how it's got like the dual formula inside, so it's pretty fun. My daughter likes to shake it for me because she likes to watch it mix up. I like to use a big white cotton pad so that it can even take off waterproof makeup if you have it on your face. But I use it especially for my lash mascara that is always waterproof. So you literally put it on, you just need a bit, wipe it right off. It's super fast, super simple. It keeps your eyes super moisturized too, like all around. I don't feel like they're drying out. It's great for sensitive skin. That's one of my biggest things that I always look for. But this is my absolute favorite. That's just my point of view.